ever get home from sports or even just going to the store or anything like that and decide you want a fresh look, well, you came to the right place. I'm going to be showing you a cute hairstyle and all sorts of other stuff that'll just help out a little bit. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing 2 easy hairstyles that I love. I wear them all the time. What you'll need is this weird thingy. It's kind of got like a point at the end, but then most importantly, it's got this big loop. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need a brush and a comb, optional, and a rat tail comb, optional. And then also optional, pretty flowers and bows for the end. So you just saw a picture of what I'm about to do, so I'm just going to turn the camera and bend it over through her hair. Like this. My mannequin does not have a peg right now. We're waiting for it to come in, but I think I've got it. And I'm just going to... So here is the mannequin hair that I'm going to be using. She's got like 30 inches. There's the end. You can't even see the end. So for this hairstyle, we are going to start by pulling all of her hair, like only half of it, not all of it, up like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. Just so it never has to be perfect. I'm just going to be brushing it back. Like so. And I'm just going to be braiding it all the way down. So both hairstyles involve the up braid. So I'm going to do the easy one first so that I can just move into the next one. So I dropped my ponytail. But for this hairstyle, all you need to do is grab it at the bottom like this. Grab a rubber band. Got a little elastic. Go down to the end of the ponytail and goodness gracious, and ponytail it off like so. Then you're gonna fix it. I didn't do it quite so well because her head will fall over if I try to pull it too hard. But anyway, that's sort of what it looks like. The picture, I'm gonna try to make the picture look a little bit better, but if you... So, there you go. That's hairstyle number 1. On to number 2. As you can see, I have unponytailed it and it is loose and free again. For this hairstyle, you will need this tool. You could use the long one. This is the small one because I cannot find the long one right now, but they both work just as good. So what you're going to do is you're going to just pull a strand of hair about this thick, and you're going to pull it through the bigger hole. Then you're going to come up here to the second top is where you want to start, and you just pull it through like that. Then you're going to come to this side, and you're going to pull it through like this. Here, let me turn it so you can see. And then you're going to push it through the next one and pull it. And that's technically what it looks like. I'm just going to do it 2 more times, and then I'm going to time lapse it so that this video doesn't get too boring. So let's pull it through like this and stick it through the next one. Sometimes the strands of hair will get in the way. Do not be afraid to pull it. If it does come out, then you just need to find the strand that you pulled through and just tighten it up again. So you might want to do that a couple times during this because it looks even more pretty if you keep it tight. So I'm just going to do it one more time, then I'm going to time lapse it. Okay, I think I did something wrong, but I'm going to just time lapse it anyway. So I hope you got it. If you didn't, just go back a couple seconds and watch it again because this is so easy. I can do this in like 5 minutes on my sister. The longer the hair is though, the harder it'll be. So let's time lapse. So I'm just gonna do the last one. And, whoops. There we go. So that's what the braid will look like when it's done. Then I'm just going to take elastic band and, oh wait, I forgot. I pulled this way too tight, so you're just gonna wanna pull it out a lot if you did it like me, because it just doesn't look quite as good if it's super, like really super duper skinny. You want it to come out and look like a mermaid tail almost. Sort of what I think when I look at it. There we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. Much better. Now I'm just going to take a little elastic and pull it through because it just makes it look all that much cuter if you have that stinky black rubber band around it. So I'm just going to fix it up with a little bow. You know, like finishing touches. Can't get the bow to come through. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So voila. There it is. Guys, if you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll stay tuned. So, see you later. Bye.